Sir, just one bite about this event, how you get elaborated, and what do you have to say about today's event?
No, I'm very happy to be here, and Dr. Saab, Eugenics Hair Sciences have been sponsoring this. So, whatever today you can see my hair is
Oh.
because of Dr. Saab,
Huh.
and I'm very happy and glad. I wish him all the best and the event the very best, and hopefully everybody will enjoy this.
So you enjoy the treatment, like you have grown your hair because of this treatment?
Definitely.
Oh, so how long it was? It was a tough or easy way to go?
In the beginning, he actually told me it was going to be very easy, but it was easy actually.
Okay. So what love you have for your hair?
I like my hair now because it's better to have some hair than not have.
So if that we ask you the fitness funda, so we know you are very fit. If we talk about the fitness of hair, what you will say?
Fitness of hair, you have to take care of it
Okay,
after
so
you've
what do
done
you
it.
do regularly?
Oh, there's a special shampoo which
Okay.
Dr. Saab has told me to
Okay.
use that. So I
Okay.
use that before, anything new used to just go there into the shop and just take the shampoo and use it. I think maybe that was also one of the reasons why you tend to lose hair.
Otherwise extremely fit body wise, mind wise, soul wise, and he's so kind of so hearty from within. And that is we medical we call psychosomatic. Like when your your mind is healthy, your soma is kind of body is healthy, and when the body is healthy, then mind is healthy. So
And he is very stylish also.
he is extremely
Very stylish. You're looking very nice in black.
Thank
suit.
you, thank
So
you.
who will you name the most stylish? What's it? It's a blue.
Yeah.
Okay. So whom you name the most stylish cricketer or actor or actress? That's it.
Mohammed
For
According
me,
to you.
no, for me, most stylish person is Amitabh Bachchan
Oh
and
my God.
and Saif Ali
Okay.
Khan.
Okay. An actress, sir?
Actress always Rekha ji.
Rekha ji. And cricketer. It will be a big compliment for them.
Cricketer, I think I'm very actually sad to say that he's no more. He just passed away about a month back. Is Mr. Dilip Doshi.
Okay. So one message to all the fans out there.
No, I really tell all my fans to really enjoy the event. I mean, like take care of yourself and look after your actually hair because today is
Yes.
eugenics.
Yes.
So there's a problem, you know where to go.
Oh wow. Thank you, sir.